Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about pre-filter for wells part number 22618. A pre-filter for wells part number 22618 is a type of filter that is used to remove large particles from water before it enters the main filter. This pre-filter helps to reduce the amount of sediment and other contaminants that can clog or damage the main filter. The pre-filter is designed to fit onto the inlet side of the main filter and can be easily installed without any tools. It is made from a durable polypropylene material and features a mesh screen that captures particles as small as 5 microns in size. The pre-filter also helps to extend the life of This part fixes the following symptoms. The pre-filter for wells part number 22618 is designed to reduce sediment, rust, and other particles from entering the water supply. It can help improve the taste and odor of the water as well as reduce the amount of sediment that can clog pipes and fixtures. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the water pump. 2. Disconnect the inlet and outlet lines from the pump. 3. Install the pre-filter in line with the inlet line using a union fitting if necessary. 4. Connect the inlet and outlet lines to the pre-filter using appropriate fittings and pipe sealant. 5. Turn on the power to the water pump and check for leaks at all connections. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.